everyone. Myself Swati Rai Singh, Assistant Professor from Department of Quality Assurance, R.C. Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur, and my lecture topic is Complaint. Introduction. Definition of complaint. Complaint is defined as a statement that is something wrong or not good enough, which shows customer dissatisfaction and about the company and the product. For example, complaint about packaging material or complaint about the product, etc. Need for complaint handling system. It gives the company an opportunity to improve the quality of the product. It is helpful to maintain current good manufacturing practice. It maintains committed relationship between the customer and the company. It is the regulatory obligation. Aid in implementing solutions to these quality problem. It reduces cost and improve production schedule. It reduces employee confusion. It improve the safety and performance of device. Types of complaint. These are the types of complaint. First one, quality complaint. It originates at customer level and concerned with physical, chemical and biological properties or condition of labeling and or packaging of the product. Adverse reaction complaints are due to some allergic reactions of any other untoward reactions or fatal reaction or near fatal reaction. And another one is other medically related complaint include complaints such as lack of efficacy or clinical response. Steps involved in handling of complaints. Step 1, receiving complaints. It is important to have an open channel with customer in order to receive their suggestions, doubt and complaint. Generally, these channels are toll-free numbers, emails, chat room and PO box. The most flexible channels are toll-free numbers and chat rooms. A person must be appointed in charge of receiving complaint and inputting them into appropriate investigation form that shall be addressed. Second step, technical investigation. Upon receipt of investigation form, the QA unit is able to start the investigation, which can be divided into two phases, documentation phase and laboratory analysis phase. So, in documentation based investigation, checking if this complaint occurred previously in the same lot or if any non-conformance was found in the lot during its production. And in laboratory analysis phase, requesting QC laboratory to analyze both sample like complaints and written sample. If the customer did not send the complaint sample for analysis, the lab investigation will be carried out only with the written sample. After receiving the analytical result, there are three possible conclusions which are as follow. First one, confirm complaint. When both complaint and written sample show out of specification result or when only the complaint sample show out of specification results. For example, a single unexplained failure may be when one tablet is missing in the intact blister strip in the complaint sample, but no deviation was found in the written sample or during the in-process control and final QC analysis recorded in the batch record. Non-conform complaints. When both complaint and written sample show result in compliance with specifications or when only the complaint sample show out of the specification result that cannot be considered a single unexplained failing product. Out of specification result in a complaint sample can be attributed to misuse or mishandling. And example of this type is tablet of the complaint sample show a change in their appearance, that is characteristic of light or humidity or highly temperature exposure. Another one is the counterfeit or temper suspicious. When the written sample is within the specification but the complaint sample is clearly out of specification with no reason for that, such as a counterfeit or tampered drug product. For example, when packaging material is different from the original, an example of tampering is when the color of the drug product is completely different from the original or when any foreign substance was added to the product. Third step, corrective actions and feedback to customers. Corrective actions can range from a simple and quick training to some employees to a formal corrective action and preventive action handling. The criteria for choosing appropriate action depend on the nature of the complaint and the complaint incidences. If a CAPA is open, a multidisciplinary team which is consisting of representatives from QA, QC, Regulatory Affair and Production Management Department must be established. As a feedback to the customer, the company must write a response letter to the complaint to explain the investigation approach taken, the results obtained, and any implications in case the quality problem was confirmed. The customer should be sent a free replacement product together with the response letter. Since the customer returned the product to the company for analysis and a quality problem was found. Step number 4, monthly report and trade analysis. Monthly report should be elaborated in order to evaluate the amount and the nature of the complaint received and to perform a trend analysis of these complaints. The monthly report must answer the following questions such as how many complaints did the company receive in the period, how many were confirmed, how many were not confirmed, or where counterfeit or temper suspicious it is. This is the one of the format of documentation final product complaint report, and it contains what is the nature of complaint, date, type of complaint, then distribution contact person, method of notification, phone number, date shipped, product name, total quantity shipped, evaluation of complaint like physical characteristics, sign of any deterioration, other observations must be noted. Resultant action taken, it should be mentioned is in the form. Method date of customer notification, then any comment is there, if any comment is there, completion date for action taken. This is a general format for a customer complaint record book. Production complaint data sheet contain following details like serial number assigned to the complaint, exact nature of the complaint, name of the complaint, address, date, if verbal, name of the person who received the complaint, etc. It also contain quantity involved in the complaint, size of sample, evaluation of complaint, materials and record, and name, sign of investigation, etc. So this is about the complaint. Thank you.